The regional administrator for the United States Department of Housing and Urban Development made his first visit Raynell and the surrounding areas today. Newswatch reporter Anna Saunders tells us about the purpose and the outcome of the visit.
Joe DeFelice was appointed by President Trump to the United States Department of Housing and Urban Development in 2017. Since then, he's been on a mission to visit as many places as he can in his 5-state region. He is currently on a tour of southern West Virginia.
I'm traveling through Webster, through Pocahontas, through Greenbrier, through Nichols, through Summers, really just to talk to the people on the ground and kind of, rather than dictate down from Washington, but frankly dictate up to Washington, like, hey, we're doing things this way, but I met this guy, Matt Ford, and this is what they're doing down right now. This is what they're doing in the valley in Greenbrier County.
And that's why HUD sat down with the Meadow River Valley Association, who has been working on helping with getting the area back on its feet after the 2016 floods. Matt Ford, who heads up the association, presented their idea to repurpose the old Rupert Elementary School. It will include an early childhood learning center and land for the fire department, with other ideas in the works.
We've got a use now for about 2/3 of the campus, the former high school building, the largest building on the campus. We have some interest from Robert C. Byrd Clinic to take the first floor, and we're working on plans to put housing in the second and third floors.
Those with HUD took a tour and also announced they added a position in Charleston to better serve those in West Virginia directly, hoping to cut out some of the red tape. Despite the work that still needs to be done, DeFelice said he was impressed with the resiliency of the people and the way places like Raynell and Rupert are on track for a comeback.
Those types of things have sparked an interest in people that maybe didn't have it before. They were just going about living day to day. Now all of a sudden they see the future and they see what the potential is for a town like this and a region like this.
Reporting in Raynell, I'm Anna Saunders, Newswatch.
HUD plans to take what they saw today and what they will see throughout the tour to take back to their regional office.